Bro, I power squatted the tug-of-war box across the field last time twice. I don't want to. I power squatted the fucking big box across the field last time. I don't want to do it again. I like how we were getting on to each other about language, and I just said the F word to you, and you were prepubescent.
I hear people cussing in VR like all the time, bro.
You play VR?
Yes.
You're careful on that, right?
Huh?
You're careful on VR, right? Okay.
I don't play VR chat or any of those games. I stick to like Veil
And like Gorilla Tag and shit?
Huh?
Gorilla Tag?
Oh no, I don't like that game.
Why not?
Too many little kids playing it.
How old are you?
I don't know. I mean the little kids who go